I'm Tulsa divorce attorney Palmer Johnson. This is my video series where I answer frequently asked questions I get from my family law clients. And today's question is, what do I do if the other parent is violating the visitation schedule? In other words, what do I do if it's my visitation under the order and the other parent prevents me from seeing my child? So, like most things in family law, there could be several answers to that question. The most straightforward response would be to document that they've withheld visitation. If they have communicated a reason why they're withholding visitation, document that. I would first seek to attempt to reschedule the visitation if there was a compelling reason why it needed to be moved. Perhaps the answer is that you need to have some flexibility or understanding about what's going on in your child's life. But if it appears to just be because the other parties decided that that's what they want to do, or they're mad at you, or something that really has nothing to do with your child or their best interest, then you want to document that. And if it happens more than, if it becomes a pattern, then we can file a motion to enforce. And I think people should know that judges are very unhappy when people don't follow their orders, and they can do a lot of things in response to something like that. If they find the violations to be egregious enough, they could actually modify the custody agreement. If you're the party that is consistently on the receiving end of that, aside from a motion to enforce, you might also consider filing a motion to modify, where you go in and this would particularly be the case with a parent who has a pattern of consistently attempting to alienate the child from the other parent by withholding visitation. And these are the kinds of cases where you could sometimes get attorney's fees awarded. You could file a civil contempt for violating the court's order. You're going to have a lot of different potential remedies to enforce the order and prevent the conduct that the other parent's engaging in. It's just going to depend on exactly what the facts of your case are as to what might be the best course of action and the best remedy that you could seek. If you need legal advice on how to enforce a custody agreement, you can reach out to me at moms.law and schedule a low-cost consultation where I can address your specific case and give you a better idea of what I would recommend for enforcing the visitation schedule.